Fix It Tony here. Thank you for clicking on my video. We're in beautiful Ventura, California. This is Hobson Beach, and we brought the e-bikes down here. Actually, we brought a whole bunch of stuff here, and we're camping. But this was the perfect place to do this test, and the test I'm talking about is the one that you guys have been asking for, which is real world conditions. Which bike is going to be better? Again, top speed wise, and I think we've already talked about this, this does have a higher top speed of 28 miles an hour, about 24, 25 with the Greenworks, which kind of gives us a little bit of an idea of what's going on in the hub gearing. The hub gearing is different between the two bikes, and for sure the Greenworks does put out more torque. It feels torquier off the line, but again, it spins out at a lower speed, so you don't get going as fast, but it gets you out of the hole quicker. And that's what we're going to test with these bikes. We're going to have my sons come out, and they are going to take these bikes. We're going to take them uphill. We're going to go from a zero start, and then we're going to take them over some bumps at top speed to see which one, handles that better and which one gets out faster. Just a little secret, last night we were already racing these bikes around this whole little loop area. We're having a great time. We actually had these two plus the third bike. And it was a blast. Unfortunately, it was too dark to film, so even though we did some fun stuff, and I'll put maybe some out clips here in a minute, kind of get an idea what was happening, but it was a lot of fun. Everyone had a blast. These bikes are easy to ride. It's beautiful weather. You can't beat it. So we'll go ahead and get started here. All right, guys, so we have the Ego versus the Greenworks. This guy is cracking up. He's 160 pounds. He's 170 pounds. This is Troy. This is Cole. What we're going to do is we're going to race one way, and then we're going to flip the riders and see if it makes any difference. And what we're going to do is come up this hill, and everyone's been asking for this. It doesn't look like much of a hill, but this is about a 6% grade. And we're going to go full speed up this hill and see which one's faster. So we're going to do one race. It's going to be them on each bike, and then they're going to switch and see if that makes any difference. So let's get to it. Ready? Go! Ready, go! Well, the torquier motor wins. Top speed's lower on the Greenworks, but it does have more torque. We're gonna do a dead stop test right now in a second. This guy being crazy. All right, so we're gonna do a zero stop test. And basically what this does is this is about 6 to 8% grade here. We're gonna have to go over the speed bump, add a zero start, and see which one's gonna produce more torque. My prediction, like all the other ones, is going to probably be the Greenworks. This motor makes more torque than the Ego. Top speed's better, so the gearing internally is probably better on the Greenworks. It's a lower top speed, but it has more torque off the line. So we're gonna roll up to the top here. Going to roll the edge, guys. And 3, 2, 1. It's not even close. The Greenworks is just more torque. So you do give up some top speed, but you get more torque. So if you're going through hilly terrain, you're trying to go up little hills and mountains, I'm on the other Ego, you really do need something that's going to provide the torque. That's going to be the Greenworks. Quality wise, the Ego is better, but he had an eco mode? Well, it looks like we have to do this again. Let's go back down the hill. All right, so let's go again. He was in eco mode last time. So we got 3, 2, 1, send it. And again, Greenworks walks away. Again, this comes down to the gearing internally in that hub, and the wheel size. It's definitely more torque out of the Greenworks for sure. And that's maybe because of the higher voltage, higher amperage, who knows, but it does have more out of the whole power. It just doesn't have the top speed power. All right, for this test, we're going to start from back here. I'm gonna have them come full speed, and they're gonna hit 2 bumps here. Come through is a pretty good bump right here. And then they're gonna hit a second bump right here. And actually, you know what? There's actually a third bump here. So we'll see who can get through the fastest. Ready? Go! Go! So that was a ton of fun. As you can see from the videos, each bike does something a little bit different. Again, I will say this, the build quality in the Ego is better. Aesthetics are better, but being able to get out of the hole quicker, being able to do a couple things, there are some attributes to this Greenworks to really kind of give it a thumbs up here with durability. If you're going around the campground, they're both fun bikes. This one's a little more refined, but this one, off-road especially, I think it sucks up the bumps better. It gets out of the hole better. It has dramatically better torque off the line. You know, it's worth looking at. Also, it's dramatically cheaper. It is half the price of the Ego. Right now, currently, Tractor Supply, if you're watching this video before Christmas, they have a 10% off online pickup, and it's already $1,000. Less 10%, you're at 900 bucks plus tax. That's pretty damn cheap. 900 bucks, you can buy 2 of these for 1 of these. Don't get me wrong, I do love the Ego, but you can't pass that up. We're actually adding a second bike because of that. So, you know, something to be said about that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're growing the channel here. If you want to see any other type of test, we're taking these out to the desert, and I will tell you again, I did already take that one out to the desert, and it did not do that well going up hills. It was kind of precarious. I'm expecting this bike to do better. So videos to come. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.